Hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And it is the last Monday of February, which means it is February 28th, 2022. If this is the first time that you are visiting our channel, I hope that you are a subscriber and that you hit the notification button. I will do a quick summary of what Mini Kit Monday is all about. Our founder, Becky, started Mini Kit Monday, and the idea it was to put together a mini kit that you would create a layout once a week for that month. And then on top of that, we provide inspiration and challenges to help you use your products, your scrappy products, and to document those memories. And those challenges could be just simply providing a mood inspiration piece. It could be about seasons, holidays, or colors. We also can provide sketches. We also will provide bingo boards, tic-tac-toe boards, you name it. We just bring you different twists each month to inspire you to use your products and document those memories. For the month of February, our founder, Becky, challenged us to use our products and papers already on our desk before you cleaned up, put things away. Use what's on your desk. And some of us are neater than others due to our limited space size, or some of us can just leave everything all around us and use it because our scrappy desk is larger. My scrappy desk is smaller, and when Becky gave this challenge, she was lucky because I still had scrap papers and some 12 by 12 papers on my desk from projects from November, December, and I was gathering products for the month of February. Not that I knew what our challenge was going to be, but I was focusing on Valentine, using pinks and reds and maybe aquas, things that would remind me of Valentine. So I posted that video the first Monday of February. So if you would like to join our Facebook group site, I will have the link listed below along with Becky and Kathy's channel. For this last Monday, I did not do a video because I created 3 layouts. And I'm going to go over those real quickly and share the other 6 layouts that I did create videos for. From my scrappy desk, I had this pink and white polka dot paper in which I used on the back side a life card that I cut out on another project. And I was able to cover that up using this scrap paper that was on my desk from Vicky Booten. Then I had a 12 by 12 paper from Vicky Booten that had these flower pattern this pattern of flowers, and I fussy cut all them out, and I used 75% just on this layout. Then on the center of each of these flowers, I used sequins, enamel dots, little jewel buttons or gems from Close to My Heart. I used Nuva drops, and I used puffy round dots. Randomly placed them on the flowers. Next, I matted my photograph of my granddaughter having dinner with my son and daughter-in-law, and she's making this funny face. I had a challenge because the background of this photograph is a back of a gentleman's head, and it was drawing your eye to it, so I had to figure out a way to resolve that. And how I resolved that was placing 2 phrase stickers from a Cocoa Vanilla collection. It says, "Just be yourself. This makes me laugh." Then I had to figure out what I was going to put around those stickers because it was standing out like a sore thumb. So I was still in a dilemma. And then I went through my scrappy papers that were on my desk. I found this cut apart from Dear Lizzie with silver foiling of different squares and rectangles and tags and tabs. And that is what all of this is. This says kind heart, fierce mind, brave spirit, magical, grow through what you go through, delightful, grateful, and sparkle. So yes, in person you can read those phrases perfectly. Next, I added this diamond cut acrylic heart or jewel, I don't know what you want to refer to it as, and then I added this flare button, good vibes. For these splatters here, I used 3 different colors from Close to My Heart shimmer paints, and we used clear, raspberry, and grape. Turned out awesome. The next one I created last week that I didn't do a video is this one here. Again, this is a 12 by 12 paper that came from a paper pad that the binding came loose after I used 90% of the paper. So it was on my desk. And as you can tell, it's a dark mint tone on tone with hearts. And then for my layering underneath my matted photographs, all this paper was on my desk. And this foil paper, gold foil paper here and here are Close to My Heart papers from older collections. Last year, I think they were released in May or June. And I trimmed this one down because I honestly think this was a 12 by 12 paper. And I trimmed, let me find a ruler. I trimmed that down to 8 1/4 by 7. So that's 7 by 8. And this pattern paper of hexagon with the gold foil and different shades of mint. They are different sizes, and this would be 5 1/2 by 4 1/4. This one over on this side is 6 by 5 3/4. For my title here, this word love came from an older, I'm pretty sure it is a Felicity Jane. And it was double-sided. I've used all on this side, and I have this side left. So that's where the word love came from. My title down here, home slice. So it's love. I'm sorry, part of my title. So we got love, home slice. Home Slice is the name of the pizza restaurant that we were at in Jefferson County, I think, or West Jefferson. And then this puffy heart came from this puffy sticker. So you can tell how quickly I'm reaching. All this is stuff on my desk. This is pink paisley, 5th and Monaco. So that is where that heart came from. The wood veneer right here of arrows and stars were on my twirly thing, which is in front of me, and I don't want to reach my hand across the layout. And I ink those up using my Tim Holtz Distressed ink, and I don't remember the color, or maybe I still have it out here on my desk. I do. Okay. It is in peacock feathers, and then I inked the edges up using the Tim Holtz Distressed ink in black, and did that for the arrows and the stars, and that color matches with that black perfectly with my pattern paper. All right, so from the Tim Holtz Small Talk, we have Be Original, Be You, Bravely, Be Awesome Today. So it's like my word phrases are being held by the platter. I thought that was cute. All right, that layout is done. And all 3 of these that I'm showing you now, I created last week and didn't have time to do videos. Now, this isn't a favorite, but I do like how this turned out. of my niece and my son-in-law now by marriage. And they are at a Georgia football game. So it is cute. I like it. I do like it. The only thing that I am disappointed in is I had these older stickers that I completely forgot about. Now, I don't know. I put them away because, see, now I've cleaned my desk off. And the corner pieces, the upper right and the lower left, the G is going in the right direction, but the ones for your lower right and upper left, they were twisted, so I couldn't use them. So it threw me off, but I wanted to get them used, so I used them at these two corners. And then I roughed up the inside here to add some more dimension to make it not look too flat and to define the different layers, and then lightly inked it up using the Tim Holtz Distressed Ink in black, my little mini pad, and my small little sponge finger dauber. And this layout is complete. I think if I had this other corner piece, it would make this layout feel finished. I just feel like it's not finished because I don't have my photo corner there. But it is what it is. Love it, love it. All right, now let's review the 6 layouts that I do have videos on my YouTube channel. So if you missed out, you need to go, but I do not know the order they were posted because I posted some on Mondays and some on other days. All right, because like I said, our challenge was to use as much of our products on our scrappy desk area. I love this layout. There is a process video. You're going to have to go look for it. I don't know when I posted it. But I just love all my layerings in all 4 corners. Love how that turned out. That is, of course, of my husband. This layout I did for a celebration hop for Rebecca Lockhart. Yes. And I used my scrappy supplies on my desk. I didn't go outside of my desk area for this special hop. I could have, but I didn't. There is a video. Love how that turned out. Here's another layout that I completed for my scrappy stash, and this layout was created for Everyday Inspiration, which is posted on the 15th, so I know when that one was posted. Again, using all the products on my scrappy desk area. Go check out that video. This would have been posted on maybe the second Monday of February for Mini Kit Monday. Love how this turned out as well. I wanted to create this layout in December. I was doing 2 Christmas collaborations and I never got this layout documented. Now I did in the month of February. Love how this turned out. Again, we've got washi tapes, various paper collections, various products from different collections. And you'll have to watch that video because when I created that video, I pretty much remembered all the collections, but now I do not. And I added a little bit of washi tape right down here to stop your eye from falling off the page. This layout here was also created for a collaboration called Groundhog's Day, which I think was February the 3rd, I think. And this is where we scrap lift an older layout that we created, and next year we will take this layout and scrap lift it again. And so you need to go check that out. Love how that turned out. I don't remember. I think this was, this of course was from the challenge for Mini Kit Monday, but I don't believe this one was posted on Monday. This one was the 3rd Monday. Again, you can tell I'm using up my scraps that are on my desk to create this fun layout of my granddaughter when she was going into 4th grade, and she is now an 8th grader. So that tells you how old that photograph is. And the final one. This was posted the third Monday. I'm documenting a Halloween photo using Valentine paper. Love it. I appreciate you all. Come back for March, and Becky is hosting March again for us. Just wait to see her challenge for us for the month of March. We'll see you next time. Bye.